Hello guys, it's 8-Bit Kid here. Today we're going to be playing 4 Atari games from the Atari Collection 2 for the Evercade Versus. So let's get on to the first game. The first game is Air Sea Battle. This game was released for the Atari in 1982 and one of the 9 original launch titles for the Atari 2600. The game was developed by Atari. There are 27 variants of the game. If you look at variants 1 through 6, it will be an anti-aircraft game and you can move your gun positions to 30, 60, or 90 degrees as you shoot down the targets. Games 7 through 12, you'll be using the submarine and using torpedoes, and now you can move left and right. 13 through 15, you'll be in a shooting gallery with clowns, ducks, and rabbits. Will be used as targets, and each one is valued as 1, 2, or 3 points. The Polaris games are 16 to 18, which you can use a boat that moves back and forth along the bottom. You can control the speed of the boat as your gun shoots straight up. Games 19 through 21, you fly a plane dropping bombs on ships. The fun ones are 22 through 27, that it will be first player against the second player. This is a fun game to play with friends. Asteroids is a follow-up from the original game released back in 1979 by Atari. On this version of the game, you can play 2 players as you use your lightning-fast reflexes and steady control to save your ship and your life. You will take out a constant flow of space rocks alone or with a friend. You have 3 different 2-player modes and you can challenge yourself with 4 difficulty levels. The next game will be Bowling, released in 1979. This is a 1 or 2 player bowling game. You control the player as you move up and down on the bowling lane. When you set up your player, you throw the ball. As the ball is moving along the line, you can move your controller up and down to adjust the ball. If you look at the ball, you can see it does bounce off the pins. It makes the challenge to get a strike a little harder. With 2 players, you can have fun to see who can get the better score or who can have about a perfect score. Centipede is a game released in 1987. You control a ship called Bug Blaster and moves along the bottom and move up and down, but mostly stay at the bottom of the screen. You shoot a centipede as it moves down from the top of the screen through the field of mushrooms. As you shoot the centipede, it will start to split and the part you shoot becomes a mushroom. As it splits into more pieces, it starts to move faster. As you go up the levels, it will get faster and faster. You also must deal with a spider that moves randomly at the bottom of the screen, a falling flea that makes more mushrooms as it falls, a scorpion that moves across the screen making mushrooms it touches into poisonous mushrooms. If the centipede touches the poison, it will attack straight down on the player and then return to normal. It's a very fun game to play. So that was just 4 of the Atari games in the Atari Collection 2. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe, comment if you haven't already, and have a nice day.